Okay, very good afternoon here on the 4th of September 2019. My name is Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master of the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. And warm welcome in to this live trading update, which is running multiple positions here at the Vedanta Elite Trading Rooms and the live trading room as well. So you can see first of all here on the money bar strategy, we've got a trade running on the Euro US dollar. There is the PSWB. Long is a counter trend trade, and so we have entered this market long. It's met all of the rules. It's got the failures in terms of the English channels. It's got the Fibonacci pullback. It's broken the previous swing low. There are many criteria that we built inside the crib sheet, which gives us the assurance that it is indeed a setup. And there you can see it has moved much significantly higher today. So we have benefit from the upside on that one, on the Euro US dollar. We're also long on the dollar, we're also short on the dollar against the Swiss franc. Again, same thing, PSWB short here. This was a PSWB OB, an outsider bar short to the downside. And there you can see we did put the position on this case, we put the position on the close of that bar yesterday to go short with the stop tucked in above the high, and that's moved quite nicely in our favor as well. Which other positions are also running here at Master of the Markets? Are we running here at the moment? So you can see that we have that Euro US dollar position, which is currently running 1,500 euros in profit at this time. Then you've also got the dollar Swiss short, which is also running just under 3,000 euros of upside on that one at this time. You've got the dollar Japanese yen, which is a setup on the Elite Trading Room, prime profit setup just there. And again, if you look, we are long on the dollar Japanese yen. Again, we took that long on the close of last night, just there, and that's moved significantly higher as well, looking as though it's going to break the high of yesterday as well. So that's the idea in terms of the dollar Japanese yen. We will continue to be on the lookout for that just there. What else saw we? Also saw one other position here, which is listed, which is the pound against US dollar, and that's been closed out because it's hit its stop. That was a trade on the gold bars strategy, and you can see that we took that long, but we took that short. However, that did get stopped out pretty much straight away there. So that took a loss just there of around, let's take a quick look. That took a loss just there of around 1,150 euros. And even after that loss, the net profit that we are seeing floating at the moment is just over 4,300 euros. So it is quite a good day here for us here at Master of the Markets. So again, this is the reward from following our systems consistently. Don't forget that these are still floating positions. Anything can happen at this time, but the key is the consistency. Okay, that is very important. We'll continue to be consistent in our approach to this, and we'll continue to monitor this into the live trading room this evening with me here at 9 p.m. For those of you that will be joining it, I will be hosting that personally. We'll be using the trade management tools on the trading room to let you know what we're going to do with these trades, and of course we'll do that on an ongoing basis as well. For those of you that may be new to us or not subscribed to the live trading room, that's every single evening we're running that trading room on a live real-time basis where we're calling the market. And so last night we called these trades out, and this is the result of them so far. 4,300 euros of upside. You can see that just there floating at the moment, after the loss that's been taken on the pound against the US dollar. So that's it from me in terms of this live trading update. We'll continue to monitor these positions, and of course at the end of this week we'll look to run the live trading market roundup as well, where you'll see what the outcome of these positions actually has been. So that's it from me. Look forward to speaking to you all soon. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, keep trading like a master. Bye for now.